This is SimpliSafe Home Security, and the company promises professional-level home protection without expensive installation or long-term contracts. Sounds great, right? But after digging through expert testing and real-world experiences, I found a few things that don't always show up in the marketing. So, is SimpliSafe actually worth your hard-earned money, or are there better options out there? Let's break it all down. SimpliSafe Home Security Product Overview. So, what's the deal with SimpliSafe? It's a DIY home security system built around a modular design. Instead of forcing you into a huge package, you start with a base station and add sensors, cameras, smoke detectors, water sensors, or smart locks, depending on your home's needs. One of its biggest selling points is flexibility. You can install everything yourself in under an hour, pay for professional monitoring month to month, or skip the subscription altogether if you only want basic protection. Experts consistently praise SimpliSafe for its easy setup, reliable sensors, and optional professional installation, making it especially attractive for renters, first-time homeowners, and anyone who doesn't want complicated security systems. SimpliSafe Home Security Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? This is where SimpliSafe earns most of its praise. The sensors respond quickly. The keypad is incredibly simple to use. And the mobile app makes checking your home status surprisingly easy. Whether you're heading to work, taking a vacation, or simply going to bed, arming and disarming the system takes just a few seconds. Professional monitoring is another highlight. If an alarm is triggered, monitoring agents can verify the situation and contact emergency services. Newer monitoring plans even allow trained agents to access compatible cameras during emergencies to help verify threats more quickly. That's a feature you don't often find in DIY systems, but it's not all perfect. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features. First, DIY installation. Almost every component uses adhesive strips or simple mounting hardware. That means no drilling through walls or hiring installers. If you're renting an apartment, that's a huge advantage. Second, flexible monitoring. You can self-monitor or pay for professional monitoring with no long-term contract. That flexibility lets you adjust your costs depending on your situation, something many traditional security companies simply don't offer. Third, smart home integration. SimpliSafe works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing voice commands for arming your system and checking status. While it doesn't integrate with nearly as many third-party devices as premium smart home ecosystems, it's enough for most households. Design and build. Aesthetically, SimpliSafe keeps things clean and modern. The white sensors blend nicely into most homes, while the base station has a minimalist look that doesn't scream security equipment. Everything feels lightweight but well-made, and the wireless design means you won't be dealing with messy cables running across your walls. The keypad is responsive, the sensors are compact, and adding new components is straightforward through the app. It's clearly designed for everyday people rather than security professionals, and honestly, that's part of its appeal. Even if you've never installed smart home gear before, you'll probably feel comfortable setting this system up yourself. Pros: reliable sensors and responsive app. Excellent choice for renters and first-time homeowners. Innovative live monitoring features on premium plans. Cons: premium monitoring plans can become expensive. Smart home integrations aren't as extensive as some competitors.